Hi there, it's Jason. I wanted to make this video to show you a little more clearly what I was referring to as far as running the Reset This PC from outside of the Windows environment. And the comment is, I believe, this one right here. And sometimes things change. I don't believe there is advanced options, or at least in my two examples. But let's just see what happens. So on the left side, I have a virtual Windows 10 computer. And on the right side here, I've got a virtual Windows 11 computer. So we'll try it in both. So as my instructions stated, you can click on the Start button and then find Restart, but hold down the left Shift key before you click it. And go ahead and click and then let go. And let's do the same thing on the Windows 11. Click on the Start button, find Restart, hold the Shift key, and then click Restart. And on the Windows 10 side on the left, it looks like the recovery console did appear, and I don't see Reset This PC nor advanced options, but I do see Troubleshoot. So let's try that one. And there it is, Reset This PC. Once you're in there, you can follow the instructions along, just like the big video that shows you how to erase and reset everything and clear out the data. Now on the Windows 11 side on the right, it came up pretty much the same way. So we're going to click Troubleshoot, and then there's Reset This PC, and you can move forward from that point. Now, if you don't have this menu at all, or you're missing the Reset This PC option, it might mean that the recovery console is not installed in your copy of Windows, and things get a little more complicated. There are options like removing the drive and just put it on the shelf for future reference, but don't give it to the new buyer, or you can remove it and smash it up. There are utilities that you can boot off a CD or a flash drive, and it'll erase everything, but that does get quite complicated. So hopefully you'll have the Reset This PC available like the way I just showed you, and then you can move forward from there. So give it a shot and write back and just let me know what you found out. Thanks so much and have a great day.